Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put your freebie in your email series and actually get your email series set up. So in MailChimp, you're going to go to your dashboard, and then what we're going to be doing is actually setting up a email campaign, which is going to be automated, and it's going to welcome new subscribers, and it's going to be an onboarding series because we want a series of emails to go out. So we can title it as such and then hit begin. And so this sets up our workflow with the first few emails that are going to go out. And then you can take it from there with after you put in your 3 that I've provided you with. So with the first email here, it's immediately after subscribers join your list. Then you can decide how far do I want to wait? You can decide 3 days, you can weeks, hours, all those sort of things. So you can change that and then update that trigger how you see fit. Each one of the emails will have that option there. So you can change it as you see fit. So then what we're going to do with our first email here is you're just going to go to design email. Your email subject line, I always recommend just starting with some sort of emoji. Here's your freebie. Get your 10 recipes here. And then this will just be what previews here in your email box. Here are the 10 recipes you asked for. So you just fill in the subject line and what the preview will be in their inbox, and then click next. And then I always just go with the most simple template so that you can drag and drop and customize as you see fit. So it's going to bring us to this part of setting up your email. So from here, what I would recommend doing is you're just going to, in your email, you have the email templates that I've provided you guys with. So you can go and just copy those, and then go in this spot here, just Control Alt, so you can delete everything and then just copy and paste into that box there. This is just a header, so it could be welcome to your freebie, something like that. And then like any editor, you can change the color, you can change the size of the font, the type of font, all that sort of stuff. I usually, with my font, I always go 18 and above. I just think it's hard to read on a screen if it's not that big. So you can play around with those sorts of things. So then save and close. You can add images, all that sort of stuff. So if you wanted to, you could put a box here and upload the actual image of the freebie. And then let's just say this was the image of the freebie. If you didn't have it, you could actually, you can upload it by dragging and dropping. Whoops. If you want to use the image that we've provided you with. So you can drag and drop images in here by clicking upload. So if we wanted to use the actual freebie picture, that's how you would do it, is you would just upload it like that and then insert that image. So welcome to your freebie. If you click on this and you go link, we want to put in the web address of where you're going to store your freebie. The easiest way to put your freebie somewhere is actually to use Google Drive. So if you have a Gmail account or you don't, you can just make one. Go to this little telephone pad looking thing here, go to your drive, and then you're going to be able to, if you don't already have a freebie that like stored here, you can just go to new and you can upload that file upload. So let's say this is your file. I'm just going to use this image here. I want to give them access to this freebie. And ours that we're sharing will be a PDF. But then you just go share, and anyone can view with this link. So you copy that link, and then you're going to throw it in there. and go insert. So now when they click on this image, it's going to take them right to this here, which is your freebie, which is exactly what we're hoping to do. The only other trick here is that if you are wanting to, let's say you have a Facebook community that you're wanting to link back to, you can just highlight it and then put the link in there for that Facebook group that you have, whatever that URL is of your group. That'll direct them back there. You're going to want to edit this stuff below with your company name, your mailing address. I always take out this part here with the rewards and then just save and close. So that is how easy it is to insert an email. And then from there, you're going to go save and close. And then that would be email 1. That's what it's going to send them. So then you'll do the same thing, right? Where you go in, you pick your subject line, and you put in email number 2, number 3. So you have your first 3 emails there set up. So that is a pretty easy process, hopefully. Let's go back to the other screen. Oh, it just wants a subject line. I'm just going to put test 2. Okay. Simple text. Okay, just taking you back here. So you'll put email number 2 in here, email number 3 here. And if that's all you want to start with, then you can just delete the remaining emails after so that it's not sending anything else that you haven't written yet. So you'll just delete these like that. Oh, and then let's say you accidentally deleted too many. You can add an email there and edit the trigger here. So those will be your 3 emails, and those will automatically get sent to that freebie list that we've created. So from there, you're going to hit next, and it wants us to fill out, it wants me to fill out the email because I just have default text. But what would happen there, if those 2 emails were done, you can see there's a button here that says start sending. That is going to make sure that the emails just automatically send. So then at this point, what you've done is you've already created your landing page. You have it linked back to this email list. You have your pixel set up. You're almost ready to go. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the actual ad itself, the headlines, all that sort of stuff. So the great thing is now that you've learned this process, every month or every 3 months, however often, I would probably recommend every 3 months, you can change up your freebies and what you're promoting on Facebook, but this will at least give you the groundwork to replicate this for yourself in the future. That was a really important part of this course. I didn't want to just set you guys up with an ad that really wouldn't give you the email building capacity, as well as having that Facebook pixel where all of a sudden all that traffic that's interacting with that page, now you have tabs on it. So that is really got us to the point that now we can start talking about ads. So hopefully that makes sense to everyone. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. I would love to help you out with that, and we'll see you on the other side of creating your ads.